to add font in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add font in your Canva. So first of all, just open Canva in your device, and after that just simply log into your account. And once you are logged in into your account, just click on the template section from the list given at the left hand side of the window. Just simply tap on it. Or you can also manually search for the template or the design that you want to make on the Canva profile. And once you're there, just click on the plan and pricing section from the top menu. And over here you will be able to see the pro section of the Canva. So in order to add a font in your Canva, you need to first go ahead and make sure that you have Canva Pro with you in your profile. If you don't have it, just see the plans, and after that you can go ahead and place an order for yourself and get the Canva Pro as soon as possible. And once you have the Canva Pro, and in the template section, just search for the template or the design that you want to make. For example, I want to add a font in this particular template right here. So just simply select the template of your choice, and after that just simply open it and click on customize this template. And over here just select the text or the font that you want to change. For example, I want to add a font over here on this particular font. And after that just simply click on this script icon or the font icon from the top and just simply tap on it. And over here right below the list you will be able to see the option called upload a font. So just simply tap on it. And as I told you earlier, in order to add font in your Canva, you need to have a Canva Pro with you. If you don't have it, just simply go ahead and buy it, and after that you will be able to add font quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to add font in your Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.